Today, we will learn about the AJAX callback. As you learned in the last stage, there are 4 steps to an AJAX request. First, create an XML HTTP request object. Create a callback function, open a request, and send the request. Most of the programming happens in the callback function. A callback is the programming you want to run when the server sends back its response. It's the programming that does something with that response, like presenting a form's successfully submitted message or adding new tiles to a map. Let's have a look at our previous example. Here, I will remove this button from the HTML. Also, remove the function used for that button. Then, instead of onload, let me use onReady state change. Inside the if statement, change into xsr.readyState. The readyState property holds a number from 0 to 4. The number 0 to 3 represents early stages in the AJAX process. But most importantly for our program is a ready state of 4. That's when the web server has sent everything it's going to send. Sometimes, checking for a ready state of 4 is not enough. There are things that might go wrong. For example, the web server cannot connect to a database, or the web program handling the request crashes, or say the AJAX request pointed to the URL that's no longer around, so you get a file not found error. If there are errors like these, the web browser won't receive any useful information and we won't be able to update our web page correctly. To handle errors, we can use another property, the status property. The status property is a number sent from the server. 200 means OK. Other numbers usually aren't good. 404 is the status for a file not found. 401 if you are not authorized to access the URL because it requires some kind of login or other permission to access. In this example, any errors are quietly ignored. Nothing is printed to a web page unless we get the status of 200. But you can add programming if you want to deal with possible problems. To do that, I will remove this status from here. And instead add another if statement. Here, add xsr.status equals 200. Then move this code inside the if statement. We can then add another conditional statement, else if. Inside the condition, add xsr.status equals 404. Then we can add output.innerHTML equals not found. Add another else if statement. Inside the condition, add xsr.status equals 500. Then add output.innerHTML equals internal server error. Here, let's open the HTML file which is not available. Let's say missing.html. Check the preview and it shows not found. We can also use status text as part of the error message. To do that, we will just use the else statement. After output.innerHTML, I will add xsr.statusText. Check the preview and we can see the error message not found, which is the response that came back from the web server. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll introduce JSON. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.